Monday morning, March 24th, Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Art Series 60 in progress. Memorial portrait of Karen Hunt, a 20-year-old American Syracuse University student, among the hundreds of passengers and people on the ground in Lockerbie, Scotland, who perished in 1988 from a bombing done by operatives of the Libyan government, which late Libyan dictator Muammar Qaddafi later took responsibility for. And years later, Donald Trump, now president again for the second time, praised Qaddafi and praised Saddam Hussein of Iraq, stating the world would be much better if they were still in power. Just perverse, obscene, anti-faith comment by the president. Yesterday I drew with colored pencil some light coloring in what we see on the right side of my memorial portrait of her hair. And in some of these other sections I'm going to be doing some dots. Let's see how these turn out. Maybe some dashes too, kind of a mix. Gestural drawing. So gonna just about 20 more seconds. We'll have 2.5 minutes, and that'll be enough for the this footage. Okay, almost there. Thank you, Dr. Chi. I appreciate your feedback. Yeah. But she's like it when I'm doing artwork here. Thank you, Dr. Chi. How are we doing, Prime Minister Mazel? Good? All right. Say hi. Where's, oh, Dr. Chi's down there. Okay, further away. All right, there you have it. We're just about 3 minutes here.